beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do a sunset look, and I've been wanting to do this look for a while. I just have not gotten to it because I've had like a lot of things going on, and just like other looks that I wanted to do and other things that I wanted to do on my YouTube channel. And honestly, Jesus was like, I want you to do this look because he really liked it and he wanted me to do the sunset. So I was like, okay, I have time today, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this look. So yeah guys, hopefully y'all like it. Alright guys, so this is a look I am going to do. It's a picture I had taken of the sunset. First I'm going to go in with my eyelid primer. The one I use is Anastasia, as always. I love this one. So I'm just going to prime my lids. And I'm going to put a ton on because I need my colors to be vibrant. Alright guys, so the reason I have to put more on is because the colors could stand out better. So I just want it to be very light everywhere. My skin tone's a bit like goldish, brownish, so stop. So the colors don't pop out as well. Net skin problem, guys. Or should I say Hispanic problems, guys. So the first color I'm gonna go in with is Canvas. I always go in with this color first, guys, just to kind of make the rest of my eyeshadow easy for it to blend. I'm gonna use these two colors right here. Let's go in with the yellow first and just put it around here. And then I'm gonna grab this orange, and this orange is called 518, and then I'm gonna put it on the outside of my eyelid. I'm gonna go over it with yellow with the concealer, so I'm keeping it very close to my eyelid. And the reason I'm leaving it a little bit open right there because that's where the yellow's gonna go. And so I'm gonna grab this yellow too, kind of gonna grab both of them. So I'm packing and blending. So the next color I'm gonna grab is this red orange right here, and this one is called Rested, and I'm gonna put it on literally like really close to the orange, just to deepen this orange a little bit. So now I'm gonna grab a little bit of this red, which is You're Kidding, and I'm just gonna take it a little bit just to grab a little bit and darken this orange a little bit more. And I'm gonna try to stick to the outside right here. I'm just gonna start blending as I put on, guys, because I don't want it to be that intense. I'm gonna grab all the colors a little bit. I'm gonna go over one more time. I'm gonna go in with this color right here, which is called Mary. So I'm gonna grab Mary a little bit and then put it on the outside of the red. This is a very light color, guys. Alright, I'm gonna grab Playground and Brother, these two right here, and I'm gonna take them very lightly because I do not want them too intense on my eyelid. And that's gonna go up here. So I'm gonna start blending it as I go. You kind of need to grab all of them, guys, just to go in a little bit more and make it a more deeper blue. Now I'm gonna go in with the colors just to deepen them up a little bit more. So, and I would start from the top down. Now I'm gonna grab the orange and just deepen it up. I'm gonna grab all of these three. Now I'm gonna go in with Tune, and I'm just gonna lightly pat it right here. It's like a yellowish color. So the concealer I'm gonna go in with is a Fair 02 from Colourpop. This is like a very white concealer, so it's gonna make the yellow pop out even more. So now I am going to grab this one right here, which is B, this yellow, and then just pack it on there. Now I'm gonna go back in with 318 Rested and You're Kidding. So I'm gonna grab these three and I'm gonna try to blend this yellow out to make it look natural. So the eyeliner I'm gonna go in with is the Ofra Verified. Love this eyeliner. The eyelashes I'm going to put on is by AOA Studio, and they're the eyelashes Jackie. And the eyelash glue I always use is Duo. It's the clear one. Love this eyelash glue. So for my bottom eyeshadow, I'm going to grab a little bit of 518. And I'm going to grab a little bit of Rusted and You're Kidding. And then just blend it in with the 518. So for my highlight up here, and then right here, I'm going to go in with Ring Light. Make sure to put some up here. Alright guys, this is the final look. Alright, so I'm going to do the other side and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I just did the other side of my eye. And now they're even. And then just for the final touch, I'm going to do my lips. It's from Makeup Revolution and the color is Noble. And it's kind of like a tan color. This eyeshadow look kind of looks like Lion King, like the Safari. Don't y'all agree? I don't know. I kind of got that vibe. I really like this look, guys. I love this eyeshadow. Like, it just works really well. Alright, guys. So hope y'all liked this look. Hope this takes you back to the safari or the sunset. I don't know. Or I hope it makes you think of the sunset. That would be much better because it's the sunset. Alright guys, so I hope y'all really like this look. Please, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me. And please subscribe if y'all want more videos like this. If you have any more like challenges or any more YouTube recommendations, just put it in the links below. I am not working right now, so I'll try to create as much content as I can for y'all and make y'all laugh, make y'all smile. I'm just sending nothing but positive vibes, guys, and I love y'all so much. If y'all are struggling, just know that this will be over soon, hopefully. I know that this is gonna be a good outcome, guys. Like, it always ends up worse before it gets better. So we're just in the tunnel right now, but there's a light at the end of this tunnel, and I know we're gonna reach it. So just hold on tight, guys. My prayers go out to everybody suffering from the COVID-19 or just in general who are staying home or just working out there. Thank y'all so much for whoever's working. Y'all are putting in so much work, and I really appreciate it. And y'all are putting y'all's life at risk, and I know it's a lot for us, and I just hope that y'all stay healthy. Just do everything y'all can just to maintain y'all's health and just stay safe. I know that this is gonna be a good outcome, guys. Like, it always ends up worse before it gets better. So we're just in the tunnel right now, but there's a light at the end of this tunnel, and I know we're gonna reach it. So just hold on tight, guys. My prayers go out to everybody suffering from the COVID-19 or just in general who are staying home or just working out there. Thank y'all so much for whoever's working. Y'all are putting in so much work, and I really appreciate it. And y'all are putting y'all's life at risk, and I know it's a lot for us, and I just hope that y'all stay healthy. Just do everything y'all can just to maintain y'all's health and just stay safe. I know that we're gonna end up stronger than ever. We're gonna start appreciating life even more. We're gonna appreciate our jobs, appreciate school, and appreciate just everything in life. Appreciate the mountains, the flowers, the trees. And I know we're gonna get there, guys. So just hold on to hope, because that's the strongest thing you can do. If you really liked it, please give it a thumbs up. It would mean so much to me. Or if you just like sunsets in general, or if you like the safari, because this can be the safari too, just like it, and please share it to your friends. It would mean so much to me. Thank y'all so much for my supporters, and I do want to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the summer. So if you can just help me out and send to your friends and just recommend it to anybody who needs to smile or needs to laugh. Alright guys, I hope y'all have a beautiful week, and as I always say, bye beauties.